Bash the wall. Bash all wall. Ready. Over the wall northwest on the mark. Ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Over the northwest. Kambak. Ibat. Keep waiting. Hold. Okay. Hold. Just full bash the gauge, please. Reos record. Yan, nakita niyo yung barricade west side. Deep nyo. Ready. Deep west. Ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Deep west. Okay. Bash please. Full bash please. Full bash. Pry bashing. Then we kill the mate.
Level 6 now. 5
Copy. How many you have, Henry? Medical?
Saper.
Walk. Ditang step up. Dealer step up.
Guards
Ready. You ready? Hit the guard. Side is now ready. 5, 4, 3. Yung chopes, pull nyo na yung guards dito sa west. Hold. You ready? Hit the mage. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 1. Hit the mage. Establish na guard.
Watch the bed to
Establish yung guard sa minority. Copy, where bro?
Tok.
You ready? Hit the mark. Ready? 5, 4. Copy. Hold. Prior killing the mage. So, all you establish na mage. Hit the mage. Ready? 5, 4. Take east space and southeast space now. H up na everyone. Go inside there now. Take southeast and east side space. Northeast. All east side. Okay, walk now. Bash now. Bash. Careful front. Depth now. You ready? Hit the gate. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow the gate now. Come back. Okay. Yep. Establishing guards sa side na. Dali. Keep bashing. Keep bashing. Bash nyo pa yung wall sa minorities. Ready, shallow the choke. Ready, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow the choke na. Kabak. Pull back. Bash pa yung gate sa minorities. Let the jug. Keep bashing. Safer south. Keep bashing. Inside nga guards. Ready, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Dapat kahit pa paano nababawasan yung kada yung pitch pag discover.
Level 7 daw tok. Pwede mo.
Copy. Cycle na.
5 seconds.
Hold. Careful, Adi. Look at that choke, ah.
Ayun mo nagbe-break ng gate eh.
Hold. Establish nyo nga ito. Bash. Come north. Bash nyo pa to. Ready on the mark. Ready. North is wall. Over the wall. Ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. North is over the wall. Now. Kill. Okay. Come back. Put back. Cycle now. Keep bashing.
First mo is candy bomb squad ah. Third was
Copy. Northwest. Someone match that. Hold. Keep bashing. Ditang step up na. Hold. Ditang step up. Pillar step up. Bash nyo na to gate. Careful. Lilooking ah. You ready? Deep west. Ready. Northwest. Ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Deep northwest now. Hit. Blow this shit up please. Pull back east side, full depth na, full pass, full demons, come northeast, walk northeast, spread, pass now, pull back, face back, turn back, don't be scared, pull west, walk west, keep walking, everything side is now west side, ready, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, everything side is now west, hit west, come northeast, regroup northeast, general side, come northeast, look for me, look for the spawns please, hello, come northeast, spread, def on the southwest, hold, defense, 10 ready, salita, sinin perma ko, yo walk south na, salita, spread, ready, look shallow southwest, ready, 5, 4, 3, 1, shallow southwest na, come northeast, keep walking northeast,
Yo, scribs sa east side,
keep walking northeast, def on the north please, def on the north, lakaran nyo kayo Paulo, yo, come east, look for me east side, down the choke now, hands up, walk, keep walking northeast, everything in the choke northeast, ready, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, hit the choke now, come southwest, guys, brawl inside southwest, come west side, then up the hill northwest, west then northwest, hold, you're ready, southeast bend, ready, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, east bend now, nice hit, hold, face southwest,
Uniflower 22.
copy, where's Peony? Come north, come south, look for me,
Southwest Peony.
copy, come east side, come southeast,
Peony west side.
come southeast, come SE,
Yo, dismounted on ping, okay? Peony.
Copy.
Up the hill.
copy, come southwest,
Guys, kill out.
come east side, hello, Poppy boost now mount up, then mount up, I'm missing my happy in party 1, party 2, kamusta, party 2,
42 half lang.
4 people dead.
copy, hold, what's Fakol doing, facing us or facing western, hold,
Na-reset ko banner.
nakato siya ng resolve.
Zoro, hindi mo makukuha yung pinakadulo yung banner. Yung range niya.
Hold.
Yung KW mobs,
Western
please.
fully mounted, going northwest.
Okay, hold. Kill the ops nga dito, northeast, ready, 5, 4, 3.
Peony flower drop the banner as well.
Okay.
Last turn Q.
Yeah.
Nasa west inside yung Peony.
Copy, come south na, walk south na, take the banner. Pahawak nga ng pamako.
Yung south, Blob, Danteri, Tuk-Tuk yan.
Walk south. We try the mage, okay? Walk southwest na. Again, we
Open yung south, open yung
Western
east
to,
ng Terry.
Western
Open yung
yan.
east ng Terry.
Okay, come west. Walk west now. Bash nyo pa yung
Uniflower
northeast.
makikita mo southwest. Dismounted one screen.
Walk. What?
Open yung mage.
Uniflower kiting west. Uniflower kiting outside.
Yeah, you're ready. Hit the mage, ready. 5,
Give me the banner,
4,
give me the banner.
3, 2, 1. Hit the mage. Okay. Don't hit Peony, okay? We focus on the mage.
Para drop yung banner, para ako na mag-channel.
Oh, yan. Hold, tank up. You focus the mage, please. You hit the mage, ready? 5, 4.
Zoro, nag-zone na river bed yung western.
Gigi, fry. Nag-zone? Okay. Fix doubles din sa mage. Fix doubles sa bakan. Yo, brawl the mage, hello? Brawl the mage now, everyone come here. Heal it, Judy here. Guardian armors, please. If you have east, drop it. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Sundan ko lang western Zoro para may...
Copy, Scott. Yes, Scott. Copy. Yo, fry out guardians on na dobo, please. Nice, bro. Pero madumi, eh.
nag-trip ng kayo.
Killer na to.
Naka-hold lang yung western river belt south.
Copy.
Naman Zoro.
Yeah.
Dito pa ikot ha.
Kunin mo. After timer pa to, after timer.
Ako di. We sit here.
Mga rat, nakaka-rat.
Southwest.
Just cut all the blobs, please. Everyone sit on the terry. Ano yung northwest big blob? Fighting or what? Yo, we're finishing Stepper right now, Henry. Do you still need help or what?
Hindi mo kay dependent doon.
Yo, Zoro.
50 minutes.
Yeah, but
Ba't hindi natin ni-raid before capture?
Oh, pwede yun.
no,
Raid muna.
we're sitting on the terry.
Kasi i-defend